Here, I'm going to talk about Boxplot. A Boxplot is a graph displaying the 5-number summary. So let's look at the example. Let's consider this data set. To find the 5-number summary, look at my other video to learn how to find the 5-number summary. So I will provide the link below. So from this data, our minimum is 1, our Q1 is 4, our Q2 is 7, our Q3 is 12, and the max is 15. Now, draw a vertical axis covering the range of the given data, then label Q1, Q2, and Q3. So here, the vertical axis, our maximum number is 15, so our vertical axis, I have a range from 0 to 15 so that it can cover the range of the given data. Then we can label our minimum and maximum on the vertical axis. So we know our minimum is 1, which is here. Our maximum is 15, which is here. Then draw horizontal lines at Q1, Q2, and Q3. So our Q1 is 4. So that's why we drew horizontal line at 4. Okay. Our Q2 is 7. That's why I have a horizontal line over here at 7. And our Q3 is 12. So that's why I have a horizontal line here at 12. So draw a box like this. Then draw vertical to minimum and maximum, just like this. Then draw smaller horizontal lines at the minimum and maximum like this.